Hey guys, with everyone being at home, I figured now is a better time than ever to post some tutorials for you. The majority of my tutorials are going to be intermediate or beginner tricks. This one itself, I believe, is a beginner trick. I'm not really sure what the name of it is, so if you do know the name, I would love if you would comment below so I can add it to the caption or to the title. So I'm just going to show you the trick first, and then I will explain how to do it. This one's pretty simple. So here you go. So start with the hoop in your dominant hand, and then you're going to bring it across your body, and your non-dominant hand is going to go through the hoop. You'll feel it hit your neck and your back, and it kind of bounces off as you bring your arm forward. So you're going to want to keep your left or your non-dominant hand out directly in front of you, so that way you can catch it with that hand. So you'll kind of feel the hoop slide down your arm, and then you're going to catch it with it out in front of you, like so. And then once you get here, this is kind of where you can go into any other tricks. You can go into some folds. Oftentimes I find myself passing it behind my back, or doing some body wraps and stuff as well. So super simple, nice and easy. Just figured it's a pretty good transition trick for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it.